So a lot of people are complaining that their PlayStation 5 is filling up really fast. I think if you play 1 or 2 games, then it shouldn't really fill up. And if you manage and just like file keeping, housekeeping, keep it, then it should be fine. So you go over to the top, to the little cog settings, click on that, come down to storage, and it tells you what you've got. Console storage, go over to the right, games and apps, media, save data, and other. So if you go into games, any games that you're not playing, you can just highlight, go over there and delete. So that's how you delete. So in media gallery, I've got quite a bit there. Well, 4.77 gigabyte. It's recording all the time clip, and you can go in there and save and delete things. Save data, you don't want to delete this. So this is your game progress. Other, or this storage space is reserved for system data needed. Okay, so we don't want to touch that. All right, guys, I hope you found this useful, how to manage your console storage. And because I've got USB also stuck there, it says USB drive and it's telling me what I've got on there. All right, hopefully you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.